Albatross All India Inter-School Championship, and they won it not only in the individual categories, also the team championship. And this is the third year running that they have been winning. So it's a great achievement, and they have also been representing the country at international tournaments and doing very well there. So we also have Mrs. Renu Puri here, who is the principal of Vivek High School, and Mrs. Kimi Dhanova, the vice principal of Vivek High School. The school has been very, very supportive of them and always help them with their academics and otherwise also with the entry and the kit and everything. So whatever questions you have, please kindly go ahead and ask them. Thank you.
How long have you been playing Gandhi for?
I've been playing now for 11 years.
For 11 years, same with Sundar?
I've been playing for 10 years.
10 years?
Yes.
So you've been perfect now?
We are on the way.
On the way to excel the tournaments?
World, they are not perfect, so the best we can do is get close to them, and we are trying our best.
So who teaches you this?
I take my coaching from Jesse Garewal. He is my coach from day one since I started playing golf.
Vasundhara, do you find it difficult to cope up with the studies along with this game?
No, I don't find it difficult because it's when I come back, the teacher's always supportive of me and they help me cope up with my work.
So principal ma'am does support you all the way. So ma'am, can you please tell about the achievements your kids have already achieved?
Well, we are very happy to see them going up in the international circuit.
Right.
And the best part is that they're able to manage their academics so beautifully and balance it with their game. And they're able to achieve in both areas. It's because of the focus and their commitment to both.
Were you able to see their match sometime?
Unfortunately not yet.
Not yet. Somebody gave you some kind of feedback they play well or something?
Yes, that I keep hearing. Of course, I get the feedback. And I hear how beautifully they play on the golf course.
Have you seen some videos?
No.
Not yet.
Not yet.
Right. Would you in future like to see them play
I would love to see them play. Really.
after this along?
Yes.
So ma'am, what are your views about these brilliant kids?
They are amazing, exceptionally talented children. Like ma'am said, that they can balance their studies and their game, and they can really manage their time very well. And they're making the best of the opportunities available to them.
School has given them something like along with this, like yes, academics you help them.
We help them, and
Financially, or is it like game wise or some equipment or apparatus what they need?
no, because golf is to be played on a golf course, and unfortunately our
The
school,
sticks, the clubs.
the sticks, the clubs, they have to buy the equipment.
Right. So
And-
you just help them in the academics.
No, and also physical fitness, strength, flexibility. They do have yoga in school. They have other fitness and sport which they take part in, and there is
Yes.
Ma'am
There's a
would talk about the
scholarship
scholarship.
which we've offered them because
What
of
kind of
their
scholarship?
monetary fee waiver. Yes, and we also it's a very small token, but the kids, the dress which they wear for the tournaments, not the kids, but the uniform, yes, the school does provide, and we honor them on our annual day with sports blazers.
Tell us about your achievement so far.
This last month I played the World Junior Masters in Las Vegas and I came second there. More than 150 kids from over 40 countries participated, and I have been recently finished number one in the Junior Order of Merit in India last year, and
Which category?
that was in under 15, and last year I was 14. I finished number one 3 times now. One I was 14, 12 and 10, and
And Vasundhara, what about you?
This year, I played 2 international tournaments, one in Thailand, in which I finished 3rd. There were over 10 countries participating in that, and there were more than 25-30 children participating in my category alone.
Who's your favorite golf player internationally?
Rory McIlroy.
Tiger Woods. He's gone.
He's also a good player, but I'd
Not
prefer
in
him.
any female player you follow.
Yeah, Annika Sortenstein.
What about Indian player, Jeev Milkha Singh?
Jeev Milkha Singh is good.
Seriously,
Yes. He comes to the range often as well.
Gives you tips also? No. Yeah. We'll ask him.
Sorry?
We'll ask him to.